Same outcome.
Same output. 1, 2, 3. Same output. Why? Here the goal is that my set 1, my set 2, in both the sets, element should be there only in one set, but not in both. That is called a symmetric difference. But if I use symmetric difference underscore update, now tell me what will be the impact? Now tell me what will be the impact?
My set 1 will be changed.
Exactly. Excellent. Excellent. Now you look at my set 1, it has become 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So guys, I have taught you intersection update, difference update, symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. Is it clear to all of you?
Sir.
All good, right? Okay, cool. Now, what is union? Everybody knows, I believe. My set 1 union of my set 2. What would be the outcome?
1 to 8, 1 to 3.
1 to 8.
1 to 3.
1 to 8, sir.
It will be just like you will consider all the elements. Now, if you say union underscore update of this, what would be the outcome?
My set 1 would be update.
Right. But in set there is nothing called union underscore update. Actually, it is update. Okay. So update is nothing but union underscore update. Update is nothing but union underscore update. Okay. Now if I put my set 1, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. All good?
Sir, this is Divya, sir.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Like, update is sorry, sir. Union updates is similar to update, sir. It is only applicable when it is followed by the union, sir, or simply if we give update, it will be working, sir.
There is no command called union underscore update.
Yes, sir.
When you give update, it is actually union underscore update.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. If you put a DAR of set, you will see union, you will see update, but there is nothing called union underscore update. Union
sir.
underscore update is actually update. So you need to give only update, not union underscore update.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Not a problem. Right? So we have pretty much covered all the important functions of this day. Clear, card, difference. Discard. Discard means what? So help of, my set 1 dot discard. So, okay, this is another interview question. So look at the help and output closely. Discard and remove. Okay, can you guys read the remove? So it will remove an element if it is a member. Good. If it is not a member, it will raise a key error. Okay. So what is my set 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I try to say my set 1 dot remove of 5, good. It will remove 5. Whereas if I say remove 55, which is not there, then you will see key error. Likewise, if you try to discard 4 is present, the element is there, so it will remove it. But if you try to remove 44, which is not there, then it will silently absorb that and move further. So what is the difference between remove and discard in set? Remove and discard will behave the same way if the element is present.
Through index based on index.
So for that, let us understand this basic. Now the value 1 to 3 is there. How can you get the value 1 alone in set? Bhavya?
1 of 0.
So looks like you have not practiced in the last week. So if you give like that, then you will see an error. individual set elements cannot be fetched at all. The only way to fetch the set elements is through looping process, for or while, called indexing in set. Is that clear? So
Yes.
that's the reason. What is the third question out of the 6 questions of data structure? What is the third question out of the 6 questions in the data structure, Bhavya?
Index based versus key or
Exactly. The
based.
data fetching mechanism. Is it index based or key based? So in the last week, I told you that the answer is NA. Why? Because you cannot take either based index nor based key for set. You should loop through. That I will explain you when I talk about the looping process.
Okay, thank you.
In list it will remove the last element because we know what is the last element, but in set it is dispositional, so it will remove the arbitrary element because you cannot predict that. If we say my set 1 dot pop, it can remove anything. See, instead of last 3, now it has removed 1. So remove will arbitrarily remove element in set. In other data structure it will remove the last element. Is that fine? Yeah. Remove will remove the element if it is present. If it is not present, it will throw a key error. Whereas discard will remove if the element is present. It will silently ignore if the element is not present. Cool? Right. Now we have learned something called a superset and a subset. Very easy, right? So look at this. My set 1 equal to 1, 2, 3. My set 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now amongst my set 1 and 2, which set is superset, which set is subset?
Sir, my set 1 is my set 2 subset.
My set 1, is it a superset or a subset?
Subset.
Subset. My set 2?
Superset.
And in Python, whenever you see a method that starts with is, then what does that mean? The output would be, it's like a yes or no question. So in English literature, if you ask a yes or no question, the answer should be yes or no, correct? In Python, if there is a command that starts with the is, the answer should be either true or false. Now look at this, I'm asking my set 1, is it a subset of my set 2? True or false? True. True. What is the other way? My set 2 is the subset of my set 1.
False.
False, right? Because my set 2 is bigger. It cannot be a subset of my set 1. So now my set 2, is it a superset of my set 1? True, because my set 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My set 1 is 1, 2, 3. So the answer should be true. What is the other way? If I put my set 1 dot is superset of my set 2.
False.
False. Okay. I think we are almost done. We learned intersection, discard, superset, is disjoint. It's very easy. Is disjoint. Right. And then can you please loudly read this?
Written true if two sets have a null intersection.
Null intersection. Now my set 1 equal to 1, 2, 3. My set 2 equal to 4, 5, 6. What is the intersection of my set 1 and my set 2, Nandini?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
It returns true.
So if I said my set 1 is disjoint of my set 2, what would be the output now?
True.
True. At the same time, I am putting 1, 4, 5, 6. I am modifying the my set 2. Now if I check my set 1 is disjoint of my set 2, what would be the outcome?
False.
False. Why? Because 1 is present in both the sets. So guys, do not try to learn a method like a method. No. for anything that you do,